Hello everybody, welcome to Boom City Breaks on Saturday, March the 18th, and tonight we are breaking Hit Parade autographed baseball jerseys. This is Series 3, Box 79 of 100. We did random team sales, you can see just to the left here. We've already randomized both teams and customers. We didn't alphabetize those customers. So they could see who they had a bit easier, gave them time to trade. I think we did have one or two. They've all been entered, and we got to pop it from the gallery. So here we go. Pop of your seal. Well, well, not the most popular player in some ways, but he was a great player while he did play, guys. There ain't no doubt about that in a lot of ways. He played hard. Yep. And that is a Lenny Dykstra, folks. That is a Lenny Dykstra. It's going to be a Philly hit, folks. Obviously, a Philly hit for Mr. Dykstra, who is, again, the Phillies. Yep. I don't know if Mossberg has this, but I'm pretty sure he'd be interested. uh, Philadelphia. Joe, there you go, bud. Yep. Y'all have a good one.